Hey guys, it's Molly. I keep trying to see if that's centered. I'm going to do just a 3-color colander pour. Somebody requested it. Silver, white, and black. Normally the white and the black end up mixing to gray, so I haven't really done this one because I thought, well, I mean, I'm already gonna get gray out of the black and white, but we'll see. The silver's metallic. The other colors are not. Ooh. A big chunk of something right there. So we'll see what actually happens. I'm also using Artist Loft Floetrol, which I don't really care for in the colander pours. I actually like Creative Inspirations or a thicker consistency paint, but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna lift up really slow. You want to give time for the design to drip out to create the effect. And then you just move it out of the way. Okay, so I've got that balloon in the center. It did most of it turn to gray, but I'll show you guys. So there you go. Got it in the center. And I'm gonna take you guys down just a little bit so that you can see it better. Okay, so now I'm gonna get tilting. We'll see what happens. So this is literally just white, black, and silver. So when I was trying to explain this, and I've explained it quite a few times, there was a person that came on and said, we can't tell when you're talking about the weight of the paint. And it's hard to see on camera, but like the weight of the paint, I try to bring it back to center so that I can get it to the other side. And what I mean by that is where the paint is shifting. So if I'm pouring right now, this is the first thing to move. So that's where the weight of my paint is. See how it takes a while to get down to that edge? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it back. It's very hard to describe on camera versus in person. Somebody else was asking, well, where do you get your, bring it back. Where do you get your inspiration for things? And a lot lately, I've been looking on Pinterest to get my inspiration for things. If you just look up, and I have a bunch of Pinterest boards as well, but if you just look up ocean waves or look up anything really, nature color palettes, that's one I use a lot. I really like that. Okay, so I'm gonna shift it, bring it back. All my paint's moving back to the center. Now I'm gonna shift it down to this side. I'm about to go over the edge, bring it back. This one's actually turning out very cool, and I think it's gonna be very metallic when it dries. So now I'm just gonna try to stretch it back out to the other side. So have any of you guys gotten this technique yet? I know some people have sent me pictures on Facebook that have gotten it. The people in my class get it that I teach here in Florida. So I know that they get it, but they're using my pouring medium and my paints. So it's the one benefit to taking my class here in Florida. So the paint's moving, still moving, so I know that I need to get more off, but it's starting to slow down. So I know that it's going okay. My center held up really well. I'm actually really excited about that. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to turn you around again. Oop, I've got one little blob of something. Where did my tweezers go? There they are. And one little blob. That blob will ruin the whole painting. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to try to stretch back down to this side over here. Let me see if my paint will get there. It's going to shrink my center again, pull on this side. So I'm hoping I can get there. But yeah, I'm interested to know if anybody else has done this effect. You know, it would be really cool on a coffee table. So that may be in the Kaleidoscope colander pour future. Okay, I'm just gonna move my flower back to the center. Got one more little piece of something right there. I have not had good luck with my paints today. I really think it's that Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I'm not loving that right now. Like these little lumps. Almost got it back to center. Very cool. Okay, well, thank you for the color inspiration on the just black and white version. It did come out very nice. I do like it. I'll clean up all my edges afterwards. Let me wipe my hands and I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna take you down and show you. That's the center. Looks pretty cool, right? They're those little spider bugs. I don't know, everybody has a different name for them. Some people said it reminds them of like meringue pie. But that's what it looks like. Let me see if I can get you up high enough. Yeah, I don't love the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic for this design. I don't know why. But I do like it. All right, you guys. Well, there it is. A black, white, and silver colander pour. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.